Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream drawing easy. Let's start by sketching the basic cone shape. Then, add a rounded top for your first scoop. Remember to use light pencil lines at this stage, as we'll refine them later. This simple foundation makes the entire process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's add more scoops. Use gentle, wavy lines to give them a soft, melting appearance. For the cone, draw a crisscross pattern to create that classic waffle texture. Don't forget to personalize your ice cream with fun details like a small cherry on top or a scattering of sprinkles. These small additions bring your drawing to life. To make your ice cream look three-dimensional, we'll add some shading. Focus on darkening the areas where scoops overlap and underneath the cone. Use a lighter touch for the parts that would catch the light, creating natural highlights. This contrast helps your drawing pop off the page and gives it a more realistic feel. For the final touches, carefully trace over your preferred lines with a darker pencil or pen. Once you're happy with the outline, gently erase any remaining light sketch lines. Now your ice cream drawing is ready for color. Choose your favorite flavors and make your creation vibrant and delicious looking. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.